Vi auguriamo un ottimo volo. Welcome to EasyJet flight EC3884 to Paris. We will now be boarding, starting with those with premium special assistance, followed by EasyJet Plus, speedy boarding and hands-free assistance. Finally, medical assistance. Please respect social distancing requirements as you board the aircraft and only come forward when on board. We appreciate your cooperation today. If you feel unwell during boarding, please seek assistance from a member of the EasyJet team. We ask that you please respect social distancing. Thank you and have a great flight. Attention please. In compliance with recent supervisions of the President and access, you kindly request to respect the universal social distance for all health safety. Thank you. As instructed, use the glass and
Parla anche come vedessi.
Direi a me mi piace